Hello, my name is Graells. I studied the Master in Renewable Energies from InnoEnergy, and I did the first year in Barcelona and the second year in Lisbon.
This study has been developed with the collaboration of the startup company Energy Smart Energy Solutions. Energy presents his product as a virtual energy advisor and compares it with the GPS for energy efficiency. The business model is based on delivering the services to residential customers through utilities or smart cities. The aim of this study was to propose a business plan for the company Energy to move from a B2B to a B2C business model. To be able to do that, there was a factor which was considered crucial. This factor was smart meters. The data collected by smart meters is transmitted to utilities for billing purposes. However, the possibilities offered by smart meters are wider and they can be applied for many purposes. For example, consumers can allow third parties to access their consumption data in order to receive recommendations on how to save energy. To start up business based on smart meter data, it is very important to know the level of smart meters deployment in each country, the legislation about the data generated, and the exact process to access that data. The first objective was to identify the main differences between B2B and B2C solutions. To do so, a competitor analysis has been done based on 14 companies from around 14 different countries. In this slide, we can observe some of the features that have been analyzed. The principal finding we made is that the majority of B2C companies incorporated hardware into their solutions in order to collect electricity hourly consumption. This fact is due to the difficulties in having access to smart meters data in some countries. Two visions were proposed for succeeding with a B2C model. Vision 1 was to increase the number of users in the broad market by rethinking the features of the product in order to be more attractive or consider new challenges. Vision 2 was to segment the market and focus on smaller but more profitable groups. Finally, Vision 2 has been selected due to several reasons. On the one hand, investment was considered higher in the differentiation corner because of marketing tasks. On the other hand, the low state of maturity was a drawback to develop new features. Moreover, selecting a specific group in the broad market provided us more control and knowledge on their requirements. Finally, moving to a niche market was seen as a more disruptive move. However, at this point, it was crucial to select the most appropriate group or groups to focus on. As a result, it has been decided to focus on prosumers because they are considered more technology users than conventional consumers. Moreover, their willingness to pay is considered higher, as well as their salaries. And finally, the market they represent is growing rapidly. The number of prosumers have been estimated at European level using data from the Global Market Outlook for Solar Power, together with two futuristic scenarios. Then, to estimate the value of the market in monetary terms, it has been considered an average revenue per user of 1.25 euros per month. The last step was to analyze the most suitable countries for delivering our solution. To quantify the best markets, a value matrix was being built with the indicated parameters. Finally, only 3 countries had an excellent punctuation. UK, Netherlands and Denmark were considered the best markets to succeed with our solution.